This week I'm testing the brand new Kia Sportage. This is a 5-seater SUV and it's a family favourite. Let's find out how good the new one is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the new Kia Sportage there are ISOFIX in the 2 outer seats and top tailor anchorages on the back of all 3 seats, and they're accessible easily through the boot. Now I could fit 3 child seats nicely across this back row. I've got 2 InfoSecure Attain More and 1 InfoSecure Aspire More forward facing. I also tried 3 rear facing InfoSecure Attain Mores and forward facing, and they would fit too. Now legroom is good in here too. We found in front of a rear facing child seat we could get a 180 centimetre driver. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box to keep the rear passengers nice and cool, and you can control that through the front. Storage in the back of the new Kia Sportage is fantastic. Now there are these fantastic iPad holders on the back of the headrest, and you could also use them to hang your jacket on when you haven't got the kids in the car. Also there's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They'll hold and conceal the iPad. And there's bag hooks there too, and USB ports on both front seats so you can connect those iPads and things and your phones in the back. There's also a storage tray in the back of the central console to hold phones too. The door bins are really small in the back here. I could only just fit a reusable water bottle, and there's the little storage handle wells too. Storage in the front of the Kia Sportage is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a little storage area. In front of the cup holders there's a phone charging tray with USB and 12-volt socket in there too. And the central console box is a good size too. The glove box is a good size. That would hold an iPad and my wallet with the manual. There's no sunglasses case in the ceiling. The door bins in the front here again will only just hold a refillable water bottle. An iPad or a wallet fits in with them too, and there's got the little storage handle wells too. The boot door of the Kia Sportage opens electronically and nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 16 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 6 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 7 shopping bags, a single pram and 7 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags, or a medium to large dog.
The new Sportage is a lovely car to drive. It's got really good cameras in here. It's got indicator cameras that come up in the driver display, and it's got a rear view camera that fills that whole media screen, and you turn that on with a button down in the central console. Now it's nice and smooth and it doesn't feel big to drive at all. Parking is really easy around town and in school car parks. And I did find the wind noise a little bit much and the road noise on the motorway, but apart from that it's a really lovely car to drive. Now the media screen in the front of the Kia Sportage is this one long beautiful continuous screen that's joint with the driver display screen. Now the media system in here has some lovely features for families. It's got quiet mode, which brings the volume from the back speakers into the front when your kids are asleep or watching on devices. It's also got voice memo, which I love for recording the conversations I have with my kids in the car. There's also, you can control the climate from the front here too, which is great. Now it has got CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic for connecting your phones. When you put it into reverse, that camera system is really great. The image is really lovely and clear, and you've got 360 camera there too, which is really helpful when you've got pets and kids to see around the outside of the car. And you can turn the parking sensors on and off easily with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the new Kia Sportage, it is a fantastic family car. That boot space is bigger and you can fit that double pram with space for shopping as well. You get those 3 child seats nicely across the back, legroom is good, and the media system and screen and cameras are fantastic.